Hello YouTube. Hope everyone's having a good day today, and lately gold has been looking good, but silver has been looking like a roller coaster, so I hope everyone's holding on for the ride. Hopefully this will smooth out soon and be able to be more predictable in the prices. I wanted to talk today just about the perfect scenario in investing. I thought I came up with the perfect idea of how to invest that you could not go wrong. And I wanted to share it with you. I don't really believe this way now, but I wanted to share with you just why I thought I had the perfect investment idea. My idea was to buy collector coins that have a high face value. So all coins have some sort of bullion value. There's gold and silver in them. A lot of coins in Canada, at least a lot of the collector coins, if they're not pure gold or silver, they're usually sterling silver. So the coins had silver value in them. These coins, if somehow the dollar that we have now is a good bet, at least these coins had a high face value. So maybe somehow that dollar value will be a high value. And then also they were collector coins. So if times are good, people had money to burn probably, and they would be able to spend money on these collector coins. So I thought there was no way in the world collecting these kind of coins would be a bad thing. I kind of realized over time and doing a lot of research it wasn't the best idea. I didn't get into that too heavily, thank goodness, but I wanted to share with you a few of the options and what I came up with in the end. So first of all, we've all seen our friend the maple here. This is a 1989, I don't know if you can see that, Canadian maple. So it's an older maple, so you don't see these often. So it's 1 ounce pure silver, $5 face value, which is pretty good for a bullion coin. A lot of people do, a lot of countries just do $1, but that's a $5. So it has a higher face value, it's 1 ounce pure silver, and it's old, so it has a collectability value. So this coin might have a little more worth to somebody than this one. Looks the exact same, doesn't it? Except for the back. We have a 2010 maple here. So it's not that old, so it doesn't have much of a collectability value, but still has a higher face value than a lot of bullion coins out there, and it still is the 1 ounce pure silver. So you think if the Royal Canadian Mints decided, well, 1 ounce of silver, that's probably worth about $5 face value, that's fine, but then in 2006 they came out with this. Half ounce bullion coin. So half ounce, but it's not half the face value. It's a $1 coin. You can see that right there, 1 Canadian dollar. So here is a half ounce coin with 1/5 the face value. So maybe not the best option for the scenario. It's kind of a collector coin. This one's a little more rare than a lot of the bullion coins out there to find them, and it is half ounce silver, but the face value is almost nothing there. So another option is 2011, these two guys, and there's another two coins coming out, I believe 2012, but here's the 1 ounce gold silver coin, and it's the Timberwolf there. And I believe there's only 1 million of these made, so it's a little more rare than other bullion coins, and still 1 million is quite a lot for the whole silver community who actually gets into this. So it's not that rare, but I do find if you're shopping for these anywhere, there is a little bit of a premium on these ones and our friend the Grizzly here. So the $5 face value, 1 ounce pure silver, but the collectability value is, even though this is a newer coin than the 2010 maple, the collectability value is a little higher on these two coins. So then the Royal Canadian Mint came out with the, I know you've seen this one before, the $20 piece. And I really wish the Royal Canadian Mint came out with a whole bunch more of these. I would have went into debt for these coins and bought a whole lot of them. I just like it. It's, if you remember when it first came out, their advertising kind of line was just, it was pretty much said trade 20 for 20. So you take $20 and you could buy 3 of these, $20 each, and there was free shipping on the coin. So it was just a no-brainer for me. Not everybody bought into it, but it's just a no-brainer for me. Even though silver would have to go to $72 an ounce for this to have a higher face silver value than the face value, it still seemed like the perfect coin for me. I could not lose in buying this coin because it's a collector coin. It was only sold in Canada, only 3 coins per person, sorry. So it's a quarter ounce, about a quarter ounce silver there. So no matter what, it had a silver value, had a collectability value, and it had a high face value. So I like this coin. I wish I got more, but they sold out of those very, very quickly. So there's quarter ounce, and you think, here's a pure ounce, 1 ounce coin, $5 face value, then a quarter ounce for 4 times more the value. Doesn't quite make sense to me, but let's see what the next coin has to bring. This is a new coin as well. This is the Maple Leaf Forever. Just came out a few weeks ago. It's about a ½ ounce pure silver. I really like the finish on this, but it's a $10 face value. So has about twice as much silver as this coin, half the face value, which has twice as much silver as that coin, half the face value. So we're kind of at a loss here. It's $20, $10, $5, 1 ounce, ½ ounce, quarter ounce. So I didn't quite understand how the Royal Canadian Mint comes up their face value in their coins, and to be honest, I came up with the conclusion the Royal Canadian Mint doesn't care about the face value of their coins. It's a very, very profitable identity group, or I don't really consider them a business. But there is my conclusion that somehow these collector coins with high face values, no matter what happens, either I can benefit from the silver value, benefit from the face value, or benefit from the collector value. And my conclusion in the end, when I did a lot of research about this, the Royal Canadian Mint, I have a lot of respect for that corporation or whatever it is, that group, that industry. I took a tour of the place. I was just blown away, and I was amazed by all of the machinery and all the work they do put into these coins. But one thing, if you follow them very closely, they just come out with too many coins. And just one coin, how does that have so much more value than the other coin? A lot of coin collectors I talk to, they say that if you buy a coin right away, sell it right away. Like the good coins that have come out, you can make profits on them right away, but then the aftermarket value, the value just goes down these coins because the mint's just coming out with too much. So that's my conclusion. You have to get older coins to actually benefit from the collectability value, the silver value, and possibly even the face value. One coin, just for an example, I definitely didn't get one, but the Will and Kate coins that came out, those sold out really quickly, and the aftermarket value of them was pretty good, a really good return, but now it's just going down and down and down just because the interest in that coin is leaving. So there's my little 2 cents on investing. All these coins have 3 different kinds of wealth to them, value to them, and I hope just the Royal Canadian Mint comes out with some coins that will have more of a collectability interest in them. So I hope everyone has a good day, and I've said in one of my videos, and I'm going to say it again and again and again until I just change my mind, I am going to be buying silver. I'm going to be collecting silver until the Federal Reserve in the States raises their interest rate. After that, I'm going to start making my decision on what I'm going to do. I feel that the markets we have right now are very, very fake, very, very propped up because of what the Federal Reserve has been doing with their quantitative easing. Once they raise the interest rate, all of the money they have pushed out in the market is slowly going to be coming back. And that's going to change from a manipulated market, like a held up, propped up market, to more of a real market. So I am buying this. I am protecting my wealth with this. Silver is not always going to be the best bet, but right now silver and gold are. So that's why I'm buying it. That's why I feel everyone should buy as much as they want to or as much as they can. Once the interest rate goes up in the States, then maybe I'll be changing to something else. But right now, this is where I feel it's safest. So if you want to learn more, you can click the link below down there, and you can go to a place called APMEX, a place that I feel is one of the better companies out there. They have some of the best prices out there and great prices on their shipping, and it's a good way to get your silver or gold delivered to your door safely and securely. Hope everyone has a good day.